Say hi.
I've been on. Oh, hey.
Do your intro.
What's up? It's me, Death Baller. Anyways, we're going out in the dark. It's gonna be super creepy.
Get the drink. Let's get it.
Try to film without a lot of light because the moon should be lighting up the.
Hey, that's not gonna work. I've already tried before.
Dude, I've been so creeped out walking in the dark.
We got. Oh my god, bro.
Oh, I remember you used to have to walk you home.
Yeah.
I would be so.
All right.
Okay,
So
I even walked home by myself a couple of times. And it was so creepy. It was.
Wait. Let me. Hey, bro.
Yeah.
Let's get it. You ready? You down?
Yeah. I'm down to this.
All right. Let's go. So we're heading out
all right, guys.
right now.
Stay safe.
Guys, we will, Mama. If we won't, I'll call you. If we aren't, we'll call you. We're not gonna walk that far. What? I'm using your phone.
Well, then you can't call me.
Well, my phone's right there.
Oh, it's plugged in.
No, I can wait. What percentage is your phone at?
It's probably at like 20% or something.
Go give your phone to my mom so that I can call.
I can't.
He has an iPhone.
What's that?
We don't have an iPhone charger.
Do we?
So what's it look like?
It's like it's if you just
Go grab your phone. Go grab it to her.
You look it up online and see what.
Well, go grab your phone and give it to her.
Oh, is it kind of a flat thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't have that.
Sorry, Mom. I'm just.
All right, just use your light. Just use your light.
I'm just saying. So when if we get in danger, I can. She'll have to get up and grab your phone in case if we are in danger. So I'm saying if
She has her own phone, right?
I have her phone. My phone's at 5%. I don't want to.
Call me. Just go.
I'm just saying in case of emergency.
Because you've got the damn flashlight on right now inside.
All right, come on, let's go.
Okay, let's get it, guys.
It doesn't matter. It's not like it's Camino, bro. It's not like we're gonna nothing's.
Sorry, I just love doing that.
Besides, I'm gonna be honest.
I'm
You have
apology.
me around. You have me around. You know what that means?
What?
That means luck. Literally every time we're almost about to die or something like that, it never happens because of my luck.
Okay, I need to put my drink down so I don't take my
literally
drink with
like-
me.
I'm never gonna. It's literally like I'm never gonna die, never gonna lose a limb or anything like that because of my luck. It's just my luck.
Bro, I'm so used to the flash.
The only thing I'm gonna die of is old age, and that's it.
But yeah, we're about to walk around. I'm gonna stop
Look
recording.
how fucking creepy that sign is.
Oh shit!
Let's just go. Come on.
Hey, I'm not. Okay, hold up, guys. Bye.